Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on the time and when you go listening to this audio. The people in our salon today, na Saturday, February 15, 2025. With me, una humble servant, Piero Samura, the political commentator. My people in our salon today, I get two messages for you again. My first message now today, my people, I see hoodlums, misinformant, people who don't lost their way. I see them, they go after Dr. Richard Conte yesterday because Dr. Richard Conte take a stance for expose and reveal more truth to the people and, explain to Salon people and things the way lead way for the USA we did today, and they say now only the truth now go set we free. And it better for make somebody go they can lie to you, cover issue, tell una the truth. So I see people they go after Dr. Richard Conte, especially the frustrated element that we say today, them believe in Samura Kamara, we don't lead we for the USA we did today. They know they see the truth. All waiting them believing them been don't spend the money on Samura Kamara. All waiting them believing them been don't promise them say them forgive them job. All waiting them believing say na bien Samura Kamara them for don't gently. I see some of them, they go after Dr. Richard Conte yesterday, way go reveal more truth they out. But I want to tell you, I say, Dr. Richard Conte, not to somebody where social media survival finders were able to distract, but in good work, they in focus and in stand and a move where they see for let the party come na power comes 2028 and in stand the way don't take. For say he bring this party in power comes 2028. We are not able to distract Dr. Richard Conte because na man way committed, na man way sincere, na man way honest, na man way believe in transparency, and na man way believe in the truth. If Dr. Richard Conte had been Dr. Samura Wilson Kamara, the 10 will come out now, the Bintu money now, the 10 if I don't come out publicly and can tell Salon people and the truth. For make we not get hope and something we not get for happen again. Make we not get hope and something we not get for happen. And make we not get hope and something for say the APC go come na power through this Bintu money or the APC go come na power through this tripartite. I swear to me Allah, if not Dr. Richard Conte, we been give the opportunity for be flag bearer na the 2023 election. The SLPP they no for don't do waiting then do so and they no for don't ever together. They say no for don't think about that. So, una the hoodlums, una the rudeness maker, noise maker, empty vessel blowers, una no they able distract Dr. Richard Conte in good works there. Yeah. My second message now today he gave me people now for can't tell the public, people away don't call me, say then they see Samura Kamara and people and now for go after all the flag bearer aspirants, then wait them they can, then they try for present them back to the public. Hey, me people will not pay attention. Salon people not stupid again and Salon people not fool again anymore. Them big fool people away don't lost their way. They're not able to use Dr. Richard Conte and Dr. Kaifa Lamara as a scapegoat. Because now we they see them all they can talk say Dr. Kaifa Lamara now been the co-chair na the tripartite. But why Dr. Kaifa Lamara no ever come and talk? Dr. Kaifa Lamara no need for talk. Dr. Samura Wilson Kamara we starting game. Dr. Kaifa Lamara na substitute the user. Na from bench he come out. Not to 90 minutes he play for. Una ask the person we start the game. Dr. Samura Wilson Kamara na in start the game. Na in need for explain to una. Waiting happen when they score hat-trick panam before then they substitute Dr. Kaifa Lamara. Then been already score 3-0 pan Dr. Samura Wilson Kamara before they substitute Dr. Kaifa Lamara and Dr. Richard Conte for come na the pitch. So if the team not able equalize them goals then they, why would not for blame Dr. Kaifala Mara and Dr. Richard Conte. Nobody know they use the Naya as a scapegoat. That na my second message to the people. The people in a salon, somebody wake me up and sleep this early in the morning from the United States of America. He say somebody call and tell and say, me and Madam Vindadaina Konomanyi talk. Madam Vindadaina Konomanyi tell me say, if the APC no make a running mate comes 2028, in the left the party, go join SLPP or any other party. May people and that person way he tell you or way listing is say that now in audio. Ask him, make he send that audio when me talk that statement, the way me alter that statement, because I no ever remember say me and Madam Vindadaina Konomanyi, you don't ever talk anything like that. Madam Vindadaina Konomanyi, you don't ever tell me in ambition. Since before the June 24, 2023 election, where me and Madam Vindadaina Konomanyi talk, who left for talk and stop for talk, now this die minute to begin talk. And now day on top me grave na ya, Madam Vindadaina Konomanyi not one day tell me who that is support. He not one day tell me who that in get for support. He not one day tell me whose position in want again na the APC. He not one day tell me who that in want for being at the APC. Either na flag bearer position he want, or na running mate position he want, or na diaspora position, or na the country position he want. He not one day tell me anything where they na in mind. And I know one day member say I release an audio where relating to waiting the person tell me for say, Madam Vindadaina Konomanyi say, if he did not make a running mate, he go left the APC. Me and nobody no one day discuss that, and I no one day release any audio on that. So if anybody tell you say, maybe don't talk that one day na any of me audio, ask the person, make he share that audio day to you for make he listener. Make it get them from me self. Not to this them fallacy, propaganda, lies, blackmailing. We don't clean so now this care and go bring can then deeper. I don't know waiting then they gain out of that. I don't know through the diaspora the way then they impress. If you not through that, then go get support. Because if they're not light today, then diaspora they not go send money for them. They even get a squad me people there. This so-called Council of APC Media Blogger where the APC not recognize. The only Council of APC Media Blogger where the party recognize. Now the Council of APC Media Blogger where headed by Bon Salom Bobo who all they call BSB. I dey repeat again. And I want make una listen to this audio today and share them for the benefit of other people. The only Council of APC Media Bloggers where the APC party recognize. Now the Council of APC Media Blogger we headed by BSB, Bon Salom Bobo, who side them book and pen then day, who side them Malan then day, who side them Kabalaman then day, who side we get them sober-minded APC social media commentators and bloggers then the people the way they follow party structure, people where they pay attention. And then always they under not to hoodlums, then not to somebody will just tell and say, go talk this, then talker. Now people will go school, then go university, then graduate, then know the left to right, then know waiting good for the APC, and then know waiting not good for the APC. They even know waiting good for them and waiting not good for them. So not to somebody just they give them one bag rest or 1 million or 500,000, tell them say, go talk, so then go talk, and they know they do them. These now sober-minded APC young people, and now people will focus on the future, and they no go ever endanger their young future because of poverty or triangleness in the country. So if you want to do business with the Council of APC Media Bloggers, now for try for make you know, the Council of APC Media Blogger we headed by Comrade Bon Salom Bobo, where people they call BSB. In now the only council we recognized by the party leadership. Now the only council where the party sabi. Not to that people the way they call themselves council, then they no more for cause na social media, lie and people and blackmail people and defame people and character we do don't clean for talk rubbish. You go see them can make audio above 1 hour. I don't know them think say how they idle na social people are idle for go make audio above 1 hour. Who that get the time for begin listening to them kind of rubbish then they. When then they even make that audios they above 1 hour or minute, you not go get any sober talk inside that audio. Na so rubbish, lie, defamation of character assassination, use people as distractions. blackmailer, scapegoat, this na inna the excuse every day. They know they ever go to the point for expose the person wey lead we for the USA we dey so today. Because if political party fail for come na power by the constitution of the APC or the SLPP, the person wey responsible wey need for come out and take responsibility na the flag bearer and leader. Right? I want make people know this today. I see people can come and rank them out. The executive, the political parties the way the America una ever sabi the executive then. Now the flag bearer they una sabi. Any policy statement na the flag bearer then the halter. If the party fail for come na power na the flag bearer na irresponsible. All the other African countries there close to Guinea where they to win Liberia. Una ask me if una sit down and ask una self if una ever know them political party executives there. The answer is no. Right? Even the SLPP when now we open it na salon. How many of the executive they una sabi? Now Prince Hardy no more Lai Lawrence Lima because Lai Lawrence Lima na people can see they go na radio or TV station go talk. Prince Hardy no more na una can see as chairman. But the rest of the SLPP executive, how many people and then SLPP APC way sabi them? The answer is no. Who that responsible for bring the SLPP in power? Now the flag bearer and leader. Who that now the person way also responsible for bring the APC in power? Now the person who they make flag bearer we also get for serve as leader. So if Samura Kamara don't feel we in them directions then they una stop the blame game, una stop for light and people, una stop for propaganda, una stop fallacy, una stop for use people as scapegoat. Right? So then people where they call themselves Council of APC Media Blogger, where nobody know their location, they know they participate in any party activities. And they advise una APC people and from both home and the diaspora, una stop for do business with them. Because any business una they do with them, at the end una get for regret them because the party not sabi them. Even the party come na power tomorrow, the party not they consider them because you don't know them. Now then no more they tag themselves to APC, but APC not sabi them. And you know go then a political party, we are in the political party not sabi you. You know go then a institutions, the institution not sabi you. Now social media no more they come and tag yourself to that institution. We don't know them. The only council where the party sabi, now the council way headed by BSB, Comrade Bon Salon Bobo. The people in our salon today, I get two messages for now. These two messages, alias, I been don't tell una the headlines. I want for come and tell the social media survival finders, now the social media, for say una no go distract Dr. Richard Conte, but in good work the way don't team up. The good work that we don't do for the past government, when at the APC government, the good works that we don't do for we APC the opposition. So the good work that we still live and do for let the APC come to power comes 2028. We not go distract Dr. Richard Conte and then good works then they. And we not go use Dr. Richard Conte and Dr. Kaifala Mara as a scapegoat for una failure where Samura failed for bringing a power in the 2023 June 24 elections. Dr. Richard Conte, if not somebody who been selfish enough for don't give support to Dr. Samura Kamara na the 2023 election. Dr. Richard Conte, if not somebody who been they keep grudge enough for don't support Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara na the June 24, 2023 election. Dr. Richard Conte, if not somebody who not believe in the APC enough for don't spend in resources for Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara in the past June 24, 2023 election. But we were there with the party, we were the follow party structure. We all see the way and manner how the election be happen na Makeni after we been go do we APC National Delegate Conference. In that National Delegate Conference, I believe say Dr. Richard Conte na been can shake on na that election day. But Dr. Richard Conte no say, even though we all been done put we agenda and put mechanism in place, all the delegates there, now Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara there for go vote for, and everybody vote for, including me. But since we come on at that hall, Dr. Richard Conte, Dr. Kaifala Mara, and others, they all go put their house then in order, talk to their supporters, their followers, sympathizers, The one the way they finance them at the diaspora, then tell them all say, the one way the party don't put before, we all support her. Make we all give with financial assist and make we all go to the field. And so we energy with strength for let the people know say, yes, indeed, we need this man. And Dr. Richard Conte, Dr. Kaifala Amara, then this player. Then so to the whole public, just say, indeed, when they say that they support Dr. Samura Kamara at the June 24, 2023 election, they're not doing by a lip service. They're not doing by hypocrite. They're not doing just for police people. Then so the actions. We see the likes of the Dr. S.S. Marawin at the Kwenadugu District APC chairman. The likes of Dr. Richard Conte. Now they even serve as traffic police. For long we move Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara and Makeni for enter inside Freetown. I not ever know say Dr. Richard Conte sabi control traffic. Now when we reach Jue, I see Dr. Richard Conte go park a car. He dey clear the road for let people and clear the way for let Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara in vehicle pass for let the public able see. Amy people wait till una want somebody do for pause again. This na the person where he come from Bombali district na in the Iyon district. During the campaign, he dey go Bombali every weekend, every minute, every second. He dey engage people there. Tell them say the one way the party don't give, Lord we give that person they will support. This na the person he dey move across the 16 political districts. He dey support people there for let them galvanize themselves, for give them support and go cast them vote for Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara and the APC. So wait till unawame Dr. Richard Conte do again for Samura Kamara in winning one. This na the person, then put the names then na the tripartite. Dr. Kaifala Marana have been the coach here. But we all see the steps then where Dr. Richard Conte take na the tripartite activities. Just for let Samura Kamara not just go to sign document the randomly, document the way no go bring the party na power. Document the way no go make them can conduct fresh election. Document the way no go lead we for go to rerun. But Dr. Samura Kamara no pay attention, he no listen to her. He sign all and document there. We lead we today for the opposition. Dr. Richard Conte na the man this way even advise Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara again. Say this 80 recommendation we don't come up from the tripartite. No rerun or fresh election, no did it. So before you decide now, make sure let the party go sit down and watch over her and read her. Make we consider for see how them we go force the international community and the SLPP for include the divergent day. But Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara not listening to her, he not taking advice. Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara go take this tripartite report behind there. He sign her. He go present and to President Bio, they call President Bio His Excellency. But wait till now I Dr. Richard Conte do again. Why una want for can use Dr. Richard Conte and Dr. Kaifala Amara today as a scapegoat? Why una today una not get message? Now then two people there una don't know say now. The public they pay attention to them, then they gain support every day, then they gain momentum every day. People they elect them every day, the party they see them every day, the party that identify them good works them every day. Today now they una want for can for them bien, for can use them as a scapegoat. We the party loyalists then go say no to that. We not they accept any blackmailing from una again. We not they accept any lies from una again. We know they accept any propaganda from una again. If una na people away grateful, you don't do for them una sit down and tell Dr. Richard Conte and Dr. Kaifala Amara plenty thank you. Dr. Richard Conte don't do a lot for this party. Dr. Richard Conte, if you know somebody where they keep grudge, today not for them they talk to so many people inside this party. But today, now in the person will take the lead, he say as a unifier, make we unify this party. Make we bring peace na this party. Make we unite this party. Make we bring everybody on board. Even the people that we've been done vex left the party. Dr. Richard Conte say, Lord, we call them all talk to them. Lord, we come on board. For Lord, we get with victory. Comes 2028. We too now one from them people again. You go only can't talk against Dr. Richard Conte today because he not pull money put in his pocket. You go only can't molest Dr. Richard Conte today because he not tell you for go cause person. And Dr. Richard Conte na the person this way not believe in them thing and day. He not believe in that kind of ideologies that in politics. For go finance people and for go cause other person, mama. Like how una get other people and the diaspora in the country the way they finance una for go and lie and cause people, other people inside the same party when at the APC. Dr. Richard Conte not believe in that. Dr. Richard Conte not they support somebody for go cause for her. Dr. Richard Conte not they call somebody for go fet other person for her. Dr. Richard Conte not they give somebody notice na us because he not support her. Because we don't see Samura Kamara and young people and now then they go and give people and notice them now they host then say left me host because they support electoral justice. Electoral justice under me backside. Electoral justice by rubbish. The man way una say they can be president 9 days in hiding, so nowhere to be found. It don't become a one shot gun. When you fire one bullet, how the sound they go, no sound, no they come up again again. Now so Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara don't at the scene today. It don't become the disappearing politician today where nobody no knowing where about. Somebody wanna say they can be president. Somebody wanna say no president. Somebody wanna say very soon they can be president. Where Samura Kamara for don't use this opportunity. If by waiting una say na the man na get the grassroots, now in the people of Salon believing, now in the people of Salon trusting. With all them big names and big promotions, the owner they give Samura Kamara na the media. Samura Kamara for don't take advantage of this opportunity where CID invite and so. This invitation where police sent to her. If through Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara they can be president, I swear to me Allah, if we don't make use of this opportunity now, for so to the whole world say na in the country want. For so to the whole world say na in win the June 24, 2023 election. For so to the whole world say in na the Mandela he ready for die for the people of Sierra Leone. He ready for go prison for the people of Sierra Leone. But when I say Samura Kamara they can be president, ordinary CID na invite her so. He don't disappear, nobody no know where about. He don't become a young pikin today. He don't become a student today. Any small thing say me mama no well, I go see me mama. So funny, eh? So funny na the Samura cabal. So funny and disgrace and shame na the Samura cartel. If una na people we get integrity, if una na people we get shame, if una na people we believe in Allah, it don't do for una come now and apologize to the people who don't cause them money, people who don't lie, people who don't offend, people who don't hurt. Samura this in action alone don't do for una come and big people for una they in peace na the party now. But yes still una they make dry eye cover shame. The man una say they can be president. Now in CID invite so. He don't disappear. This he don't tell una say he not stupid like una. He don't tell una say he not angry for power like una. He don't tell una say all the names the una they call na social media. Now una no more incident because una want for place una diaspora sponsor and financiers there. But in the Samura Kamara, he been don't sell the young power for far too long. In that power way Samura Kamara don't sell, una no go can use Dr. Richard Conte Naya as a scapegoat. Una no go can use Dr. Richard Conte Naya as excuse. Una no go can use Dr. Richard Conte Naya as cover up. No, Dr. Richard Conte go continue for stand by the truth. He go continue for follow the truth. He believe in the truth. And he go continue for follow the structure of the APC and get respect for the APC leadership. Right? That mistake we all been do in 2023. Follow hearing information about people and no more go attack. No, we know they accept that one deny again. If una want for can talk against anybody, somebody like Dr. Richard Conte, always una they say una need for fully prove the evidences then to the public for let the public see. But you know me say when Dr. Richard Conte goes sit on AYV on 98.1, journalists they ask questions there in relation to the tripartite work. Una feel say Dr. Richard Conte for cover up the truth there. Like how una they see the truth there today, but una no one know. Una just want for please people away they give una way to una they eat. Dr. Richard Conte no go there so. So we want for tell Dr. Richard Conte plenty thank you. In loyalty, it display to this APC every day. In loyalty, it is displayed to the country every day. transparency, honesty, and stand for bring the party na power. E dey pansuan every day, and this na the kind person where the people of Salon for put their confidence, their trust, and their hope in. If not Dr. Richard Conte or Dr. Kaifala Marabin be flag bearer at the June 24, 2023 election, trust me, Madabio or the SNPP or Mohamed Kone, I like them for don't charm raw fire. They not for don't do waiting then do so to Dr. Samura Mati Wilson Kamara. The manipulations, the way they take the crook, the jamfa, and the thievery will happen at the June 24, 2023 election. If not Dr. Richard Conte or Dr. Kaifala Marabi be flag bearer, the SLPP then say no say they're not for don't digima. But when the SLPP knows say that demand and contest with, then they can do anything where they want, nothing not they happen inside. Now it make them do all waiting they want. From the time where the SLPP then begin yeri, Dr. Samura Kamara, they say have faith in God. We are in have faith in God, not in politics. Now they tend them go on the rampage for do all the bad things that the manipulations there for do have waiting them for them no say it get for left buff. And indeed, when they do an so it don't left buff. A flag bearer, a leader, where the party constitution say now in charge with the responsibility for bring the APC na power. Today, una no one come out for telling the hard fact. Una no one come out for telling the truth. Una do go and blame innocent people. People we no eat, not drink, no smoke. Today, una one let them check. Pasibi say we don't die. Pasibi say we don't die. Now in the APC National Executive go check with Samura your mistakes the way do. But as soon as we die alive, we no go accept. We go continue for expose Samura Kamara in lapses is there. We lead for love we all deal with it today. Somebody they tell me say Piaro Samura not going to go after Samura Kamara because now somebody we been done sacrifice for yesterday. He don't support her. We all know that even today not the supporter, but we all appreciate what he been done do for her. Yes. Samura Kamara in people and then the lead we follow we come and expose Samura Kamara. Samura Kamara and people and then the lead we follow we go after Samura Kamara. Na yauna all day. Samura Kamara then in social media survival find us there. They no member say maybe don't suffer for Samura Kamara. They don't broke me food for Samura Kamara. They run after me na my district for Samura Kamara. They run after me na I left Salon because of Samura Kamara. The non-member always had to undergo for Samura Kamara. We go na the ground. Dr. Kaifala Marawi na we own brother. Na a strong goal with Kwenadugu and Falabatego Kono. We bulldoze Dr. Kaifala Marana then district there. Just for let Samura Kamara get access to them delegate then day. Samura Kamara and people and non-member all learn things then day. Na yawu na the way they go recruit themselves. People and they fund them every week, every month for let them can't talk against me just because me not buy the young ideology. Say, Lord, go after big people and the party. Now, yauna all day, then they present me back to the public, talk all kinds of sarcastic words they against me. They not think a member say, this man, I be there all over the place yesterday, they support and propagate for Samura Kamara. And not only then a social media talk for Samura Kamara, but I go on the ground and show the action. Fight for let Samura Kamara get delegate to the Nafalaba district. Indeed, we succeeded in doing that. They're not member, they're not grateful. We are in Samura Kamara, no one day give me 50 loans. They're not member, all lent in there. But trade, when them they can't lie permit SLPP, police and soldiers, they don't give me police, they don't give me money for go look for them for kill them. I not tell them, say, I lie, then they lie. When then they tell me, then they can't tell you yesterday say, now 250,000 loans the APC executive give me for make us support them. Una not tell them say I lie, then they lie. When them they tell me yesterday, Madabio don't go give me $25,000 each. Una not come out and tell them say I lie, then they lie. When them they use all kinds of sarcastic word against me yesterday, then they lie by me, try for present me bad to una, try for destroy my own political career, for destroy my own future. Una not ever come out and tell them say waiting then they do so wrong. Now way me don't see do. When them they do this, me people, I keep quiet for 1 month, 15 days complete. When I 45 days, me people in 45 days, not to 4 days so. 45 days, not to 4 weeks, so right? I keep quiet for 1 month, 15 days, when I 45 days for make I know if them people are going to regret their actions. Either the one the way they finance them at the diaspora, the one the way they send them for can't talk about me, either they all go regret the actions then. I keep quiet for 45 days. Every day then they pull audio na PRO Samura. Minkailo Masari na in the pia. Na Cherry Coco de pia. Na CDI Tunis de pia. Na Lawyer Lassana Dumbuya de pia. They even come out they even way be say if they give me the whole gentry and not the whole Dulunga gentry, I not go get mine go sit down before President Bio for tell and say I don't come for money. Then they go and talk say President Bio don't give we $25,000 each. For now we go look for them for kill them. Then Abu Sode, this useless dirty Olu, APC Maleka, where they use APC Polo as common clothes. If they take that country, Nindul, they sew up APC Polo, una we sabia una ki identify una no. But way they wear one green polo over 2-3 weeks, you know, they pull and buy Kanda. Then Bobo then they come live about me on social media. Some of una not even know me in person, una they believe that. When we come out for tell una say all waiting them boy had to tell una and a lie, una end up for turn back pa we say we know one let the APC come na power. We are not we go pen with signature then na Bintuman yo. Not we go sign the Bintuman the tripartite report. Not we be hiding a net for go meet with President Bio. After Mohamed Kone announced the election, not we been put with phone the offer for complete 12 to 13 days so. Una not looking to them thing and they all. The person will do all that thing that will lead way for the Wusa with it the way na Dr. Samura Matul Sinkamara. Una all go recruit una self for can fet way for them because of the truth will talk me people. Today Wusa with it. Even me or somebody where they call me as a brother. Somebody like ask me I love it Kamara. I don't know how in the field today. For let you go join people away not even know in person. For go fet young brother. Pan something when I lie, something when not true. As me I love it Kamara. You go join people away not even know for can fight me as young brother. They marry Kanu they all. Then go join innocent people. People away they not sabi. People away na lie mande na propagandists for can talk against me innocent somebody. We not to me they decide for the APC. Not to me they decide for presidency in our country. Waiting them but then they can't talk about me when they believe. Could you imagine? They elected how now they feel. How now they feel? Ask me I love it Kamara. How they feel today? This ask me I love it Kamara. Una sabia na the United States of America. And whosoever way they listen to this me audio forward and Torah. Ask me I love it Kamara. How they feel today? As a sister. For making go join people on social media, we not even know them in person. You know, investigating that, waiting then they talk if not true or not. Go join them for go fet young brother. If they pull audio, if they castigate the APC leadership, if they cost the APC national executive, ask me I love it Kamara. At the end, they say in a APC policy. How una go there? If APC come na power tomorrow, would that una get for near? Would that go encourage una? Where everybody don't know una. You not afraid for join people and for fet young blood brother. Who that next you get for afraid for join? If you don't come publicly, you dey fet me. When people they lie by me, now you ask me I love it Kamara, they share that audios there. Whose confidence or trust you go and let people and get in you inside this APC game? So una the hundlons then ya, una the failures then ya, una the frustrated elements there. Una no go ever use Dr. Richard Conte and Dr. Kaifala Mara as a scapegoat. Then focus in waiting then they do. Then dedicated to the APC ideology, the APC philosophy, and then focus now for CC the party come na power comes 2028. This na my message. Ono listening and feel free for share. Piero Samura, Falaba District Publicity Secretary, All People's Congress, APC, the one and only political commentator. We believe in the ideology, the structure, and the constitution of the APC. Listen and share the audio for the benefit of others.